already close friends. How does Duvall define friendship? Friendship involves liking, loyalty, and common purpose, he says. I know two female chimpanzees who 30 years ago were already close friends. They lived in a zoo group in the Netherlands with more than 25 chimpanzees. Last year I visited and noticed that they were still friends, still grooming each other, helping each other in fights, and so on. Loyalty. Why do animals have friends? Mainly because in the long run they benefit from friendships, Duvall says. It is all give and take. Sometimes one gives more, the other takes more, but in the end, both parties gain. Kiss and make up. Many kinds of animals, from insects to primates, benefit from living in groups. In fact, their survival often depends upon their cooperation. But members of a group also compete for food and mates, which can lead to fights. We may not be able to tell if two animals are really friends, but we do know that many animals work hard not to stay enemies. Making up after a conflict is essential to the survival of the group. Making up often involves physical contact. People shake hands. Dolphins take turns rubbing flippers. They also swim close together. One dolphin leans a flipper against the other side and gets towed through the water. Spotted hyenas often meet in the clan's den to say, "I'm sorry." Within minutes after a fight, they greet each other with licks, sniffs, and groans. Friendly reunions help restore relationships and ease tension, especially between unrelated animals. Chimpanzees actually kiss when they make up, a behavior some researchers think has roots in mouth-to-mouth food sharing between a mother and child. Spotted hyenas can be fighting one minute and friends the next. Dr. Duvall believes reconciliation is a learned social skill. For 5 months, he housed together two groups of young monkeys with very different peacekeeping styles. Bossy rhesus monkeys that rarely reconcile after a fight, and their tolerant stump-tail cousins that are masters at making peace. At first, both groups kept to themselves, but in the end, they did everything together, and the rhesus monkeys reconciled after conflicts as often as the stump-tails. When the two groups were separated, the rhesus monkeys kept up the more peaceable ways they had learned. The friendliest animal. So, can animals be friends? Like humans, animals cooperate, play together, share resources, and protect and defend each other. Some form strong, long-lasting partnerships. But maybe there's more to friendship than that. Human brains are wired for complex emotions and thoughts. And humans can talk. You can share more than food with your friends. You can share ideas, dreams, secrets, sorrows, joys, worries, and hopes. Some scientists think that our ability to form friendships, to trust each other, share, and cooperate, and especially to help one another when we get nothing in return, has enabled humans to be the most successful animals on Earth. Enable.